Hello and welcome back to Healthy Veggies. Today I am going to make a healthy and filling vegetable soup by using vegetables like carrots, sweet corn, green beans, spring onions and tomatoes. You can add any vegetable according to your choice. Let's start the recipe. First rinse all the vegetables and chop them finely. I have already prepared vegetable stock by boiling onions, carrots, coriander stems, ginger, garlic, etc. for 30 minutes. Heat a kadhai and add 2 teaspoon oil into the kadhai. When oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon chopped green chillies and 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Saute them till the raw smell is gone. Add 1 cup fresh sweet corn and mix. Add 3 tablespoons of water and cover. Cook on medium-low flame for 2-3 minutes. Sweet corns are half cooked. Now add the other vegetables except tomatoes. Mix the chopped veggies and saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now take a strainer and add the vegetable stock into the kadhai through the strainer. Add 5 to 6 cups of vegetable stock or plain water. Cover the kadhai with a lid and allow to boil. The soup has started boiling. Now add salt, half teaspoon crushed black pepper and half cup chopped tomatoes. Give a stir and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. Here I have used roasted oats for thickening the soup. Dry roast half cup oats and blend it to a fine powder. Take 2 tablespoons of the blended powder and mix with water to make a slurry. The sweetness of corn and the sourness of tomatoes will give a very nice taste to the soup. Add more salt if required and stir well. The soup is boiling. Now slowly add the prepared slurry and mix it well by stirring constantly. Cook for another 2-3 minutes till the soup thickens. Vegetable soup is ready. Finally garnish it with chopped spring onions and chopped coriander leaves. The soup is ready to be served. Now enjoy this healthy and delicious soup. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel for more such recipes.